Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am back up here in beautiful WedgeWoods, just north of Whistler, British Columbia. We are at our net zero energy build. It'll also meet BC Energy Code Step 4 standard. The boys spent yesterday with our prefabbed walls and getting the first floor in place and lifting all the floor joists in. So really good progress yesterday. We've got some super cool drone footage as well that we'll add to the video later on. They are going to frame the floors today and tomorrow. Of course, this is a 2-story build, and then crane coming back later in the week to lift up the second floor walls. As you can see behind me, we have the main roof of the house all prefabricated and ready to go as well. So we'll get that flown into place. So stay tuned for some further exciting developments up here as we see this house fly up in about a week and a half. So thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe or follow us along. Cheers. You can see in front of me, that's obviously the garage. Just a few of the floor joists sitting up in place there, getting ready to spread out. And then, of course, we've got the main house. Again, 2-story build, built to the CHBA Net Zero label. The black material you can see on the outside there, that is a Neopor EPS graphite infused insulation. Has an R value of just under 5 per inch. And combined with insulation in the wall cavity will give us an effective R26, and that's one of the key components that gets us to that net zero energy label. Of course, on the roof we'll also have a similar sort of insulation strategy where we will use some infill insulation inside the roof joists, and then we'll have an exterior slope package of the same graphite infused Neopor EPS insulation, which will give us about an R60 on the roof. We will be installing Euroline's 4700 series windows. That gives us a passive house rated window, which is also a key to our energy performance level. So stay tuned later in the week as we fly in more of our walls. Pre-framed stairs sitting there. Again, pre-framed roof going on above me. And yeah, exciting week here at RDC as this goes together.